Slider Window Installation in Fayetteville, Arkansas, offers a seamless blend of functionality and style for both residential and commercial properties. Our professional window installers in Fayetteville ensure that each custom slider window fits perfectly, enhancing the aesthetic appeal and energy efficiency of your space. With a focus on quality and precision, our window replacement services in Fayetteville, Arkansas, are designed to meet the unique needs of every client, especially those seeking high-quality slider windows Fayetteville residents love. Energy-efficient windows in Fayetteville are a top priority for homeowners looking to reduce energy costs and improve comfort. Our selection of double-pane windows and insulated windows provides superior thermal performance, keeping your home warm in the winter and cool in the summer. By choosing energy-efficient windows Fayetteville, you can enjoy significant savings on your energy bills while contributing to a greener environment. Many of our clients pair them with modern slider windows Fayetteville families rely on for sleek, functional design. Custom slider windows Fayetteville are tailored to fit your specific design preferences and functional requirements. Whether you need vinyl slider windows or sliding glass windows, our window design consultation services in Fayetteville, Arkansas, will guide you through the process of selecting the perfect window style options for your home or business. Our team is dedicated to providing residential window solutions Fayetteville that enhance the beauty and value of your property, including expertly installed slider windows Fayetteville homes feature prominently. Window installation services in Fayetteville, Arkansas, are essential for maintaining the integrity and performance of your windows. From window frame installation Fayetteville to glass replacement Fayetteville, Arkansas, our skilled technicians are equipped to handle all types of window installations. We also offer window sealing services Fayetteville to prevent drafts and improve energy efficiency, ensuring your windows remain in top condition year-round. These services include full support for new and replacement slider windows Fayetteville property owners need. Affordable window services Fayetteville, Arkansas are available to meet the needs of budget-conscious homeowners and businesses. Our competitive pricing on window maintenance Fayetteville and window cleaning services Fayetteville, Arkansas ensures that you receive high-quality service without breaking the bank. We also provide window tinting options Fayetteville to enhance privacy and reduce glare, making your space more comfortable and inviting. With slider windows Fayetteville customers favor for combining value and performance. Professional window installers Fayetteville are committed to delivering exceptional service and craftsmanship. Our team is experienced in all aspects of window installation, from window measurement services Fayetteville to window screen installation Fayetteville, Arkansas. We take pride in our attention to detail and dedication to customer satisfaction, ensuring that every project is completed to the highest standards, especially when installing slider windows Fayetteville clients count on for durability and ease of use. Window style option. Fayetteville, Arkansas are diverse, offering something for every taste and architectural style. Whether you prefer the classic look of double-pane windows Fayetteville or the modern appeal of vinyl slider windows Fayetteville, Arkansas, our team will help you find the perfect match for your property. Our window design consultation Fayetteville, Arkansas ensures that you make informed decisions that align with your vision and budget, including expert selections for slider windows Fayetteville residents appreciate. For top-notch window replacement services in Fayetteville, Arkansas, look no further than our expert team. We specialize in slider window installation Fayetteville, Arkansas, ensuring your home or business benefits from the latest in energy-efficient windows Fayetteville. Our professional window installers Fayetteville are dedicated to providing residential window solutions Fayetteville and commercial window services Fayetteville that meet your specific needs, including premium slider windows Fayetteville options. Enhance your property with custom slider windows Fayetteville, designed to fit any style or preference. Our window design consultation Fayetteville, Arkansas offers personalized guidance to help you choose the perfect window style options Fayetteville, Arkansas. Whether you need vinyl slider windows Fayetteville, Arkansas or double-pane windows Fayetteville, we have the expertise to deliver exceptional results, particularly for those wanting sleek and functional slider windows Fayetteville homes value. Our window installation services in Fayetteville, Arkansas cover everything from window frame installation Fayetteville to window sealing services Fayetteville. We also offer window maintenance Fayetteville to keep your windows in top condition. For those looking to upgrade, our window hardware upgrades Fayetteville and window screen installation Fayetteville, Arkansas provide the perfect solution, including improvements to existing slider windows Fayetteville properties. Weatherproof windows Fayetteville are essential for maintaining a comfortable indoor environment. Our insulated windows Fayetteville, Arkansas and window tinting options Fayetteville help reduce energy costs while enhancing privacy. Trust our affordable window services Fayetteville, Arkansas to deliver quality and value, especially when upgrading to slider windows Fayetteville homeowners turn to for year-round reliability. Choose our sliding glass windows Fayetteville, Arkansas for a sleek, modern look that maximizes natural light. Our residential window solutions Fayetteville and commercial window services Fayetteville are tailored to meet the unique demands of each client. Experience the difference with our professional window installers Fayetteville and enjoy the benefits of energy-efficient windows Fayetteville, especially with stylish slider windows Fayetteville businesses and homes alike prefer. For comprehensive window solutions, including window frame installation Fayetteville and window sealing services Fayetteville, contact us today. Our window design consultation Fayetteville, Arkansas ensures you receive expert advice and guidance. From window hardware upgrades Fayetteville to window screen installation Fayetteville, Arkansas, we have all your needs covered, especially for those looking to enhance their space with slider windows Fayetteville recommends. Trust our window replacement services in Fayetteville, Arkansas to enhance your property's appearance and functionality. Our custom slider windows Fayetteville and vinyl slider windows Fayetteville, Arkansas are designed to impress. With our window maintenance Fayetteville and window cleaning services Fayetteville, Arkansas, your windows will always look their best, including your new or updated slider windows Fayetteville residents admire. Discover the benefits of double-pane windows Fayetteville and insulated windows Fayetteville, Arkansas for improved energy efficiency. Our weatherproof windows Fayetteville and window tinting options Fayetteville provide added protection and comfort. Choose our affordable window services Fayetteville, Arkansas for quality you can rely on, especially when it comes to the latest slider windows Fayetteville property owners are installing. Our sliding glass windows Fayetteville, Arkansas offer a stylish and practical solution for any space. With our window measurement services Fayetteville, you can be confident in a perfect fit. Experience the difference with our professional window installers Fayetteville and enjoy the benefits of energy-efficient windows Fayetteville. Especially our best-in-class slider windows Fayetteville clients rave about.